tube station in the London area, and it's closing in the next few weeks when its replacement further down there opens. So this is looking north, looking south just a month ago. The footbridge is not step-free, of course, so of course it makes it a yellow triangle station. There's step-free access to this side, not the other side. So yeah, anyway, Angel Road, tick. Right, this is our train from Angel Road to Enfield Lock, then we'll work out what we're going to do after that. From the 317-886. Oh, there's quite a few on this. Interested to see how many get off. Right, we're just out at Tottenham Hale now to get the Victoria line straight to King's Cross. Because time's against us now, and we need, with no chance of 20:03 now, there's just no chance, so we're going to go for 20:33 Leeds from King's Cross and head home that way. Okay, the bottle just rolled over my foot, so if I switch camera, the bottle just ran over my foot, never mind. Right, anyway, this is Tottenham Hale. It's a bit like a building site at the moment, so we've got a building work going on, modernisation and whatever. So, as I say, the Victoria line to King's